Looking for a way to cook healthier meals without sacrificing convenience? The OvenStuff 2-piece non-stick toaster oven bake and broil pan set offers exactly that. Designed specifically for smaller ovens in apartments, dorm rooms, or vacation rentals, this set fits perfectly and helps you cut down on excess fat while cooking your favorite proteins like bacon, chicken, or fish. I've tried several baking pans over the years, but this set quickly became my go-to. The Fat Away Broil pan stands out because it lets grease drip away through its specially designed holes, leaving your food crisp and far less greasy. Plus, the non-stick DuraGlide Plus coating means I don't have to use cooking spray or oil, which makes my meals even healthier. Cleanup, a breeze. I just line the bottom with foil, and the pans wipe clean with almost no scrubbing. I've bought 3 sets so far, 2 for home and 1 for travel, because they fit perfectly in my toaster oven and handle 2 frozen fish fillets at once without crowding. What you get is more than just a pan set. You get heavy-duty steel construction that heats evenly, so no more burnt edges or uneven cooking. And it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality you can trust. Whether you're cooking for one or want a compact solution that fits your lifestyle, this set makes healthy cooking simple and efficient. If you're ready to upgrade your toaster oven experience with cookware that works as hard as you do, the OvenStuff Bake and Broil pan set is worth a look.